Hey guys, Humans here, and thank you so much for taking the course. I'm super excited to show you some amazing strategies which is going to help you to build a really reliable passive income source. In fact, these strategies which I'm about to show you are the most powerful when it comes to the fastest and the most efficient way in terms of money and time and energy to build a passive income source. I've tried every single possible scenario in the past couple of years. Here at 30-Day Labs, we try almost everything when it comes to building reliable income sources that doesn't require us to trade our time for money. So that's the key thing here. If you're trading your time for money, that's not a passive income source. A passive income source is you build it once and then it will generate you money with the lowest amount of kind of maintenance required. So get excited. The future lessons or lectures are going to be full of value. A ton of value is going to be there for you to kind of grab and apply it and build yourself a really nice passive income source to rent or pay your bills, or maybe even bring financial freedom, which is the freedom of time and location. You can do work anytime you want, at any location you want, and basically that would be the lowest amount of work for the maximum kind of return that you can get. And that's the beauty of building a passive income source. So before any further ado, let's get started, because what I'm about to show you has the potential to change your life if you're willing to apply it and get the results from it. So thanks for watching. Humans here, and let's start the course.